Dusty back roads paved with Wall Street gold. Old derricks coughing up the last black blood. Stopwatch hands never getting old, chasing paychecks through the Mississippi mud. We're floorboard deep in hollow schemes, while the wheat turns black beneath the sun. That Vegas signs a liar's dream, just another death the working man can't outrun. Oh, we all burn in this furnace of greed, moving goalposts at a breakneck speed. First frost hits and we double down. Yeah, this whole country's upside down. So link your arms tight as one, turn the ship back where it begun, before the last church bell's done. Raise your voice, take back what we've lost. The steel mill ghost hum through broken panes, where the time clock's stuck on 1982. Dollar store dreams and food stamp chains, while the suits toast with Kentucky blue. We pawn our pride for minimum wage, watch the black top swallow family farms. Another lap around the same old cage, just calloused hands and empty arms. So we all burn in this furnace of greed, moving goalposts at a breakneck speed. First frost hits and we double down. Yeah, this whole country's upside down. So link your arms tight as one, turn this ship back where it begun, before the last church bell's done. Raise your voice, take back what we lost. Hear that moaning down the sea and no lie, it's the sound of levees fixing to burst, from the Appalachian hollows to the Rio Grande. We're all drinking from the same damn thirst. This ain't the storm, just the warning sign, before the whole damn levee goes. We either stand up shoulder high, or get washed away in the undertow. Just a heartbeat thick and slow. Remember when the oak still bore good fruit, just an echo, faint and low. Who killed the honest country truth? Yeah, we all burn in this furnace of greed, moving goalposts at a breakneck speed. First frost hits and we double down. Yeah, this whole country's upside down. Gotta link your arms tight as one, turn the ship back where it begun, before the last church bell's done. Raise your voice, take back